Right now we are in the backcountry of British Columbia on day 7 of a moose hunt. This is my first chance to really test these Victory SF from ZEISS. When you hike around like we do, it's really important that you have a pair of binos that are light, easy to use and fast to use. They have a very wide field of view, so I can use my peripheral vision. That can make the difference between seeing the animal or losing the animal, and amazing clarity. Even though we've had bad rains, we've had snow, we've had sleet, we've had pretty much everything that you can throw at them, they've performed very, very well. For me, it's very important that all the gear I bring is something that I can trust 100%. And all in all, I'm very impressed with this gear, and it gives me the opportunity to just enjoy my trip.